In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete your forecast feeds. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions in order to do this. Then choose Forecast. You should arrive at your forecast main page. Go to your new top menu bar and select Feeds. You should arrive at your Feeds Settings page. Before you make any changes, make sure you have the correct feed selected. Right now I'm on Example. Maybe I don't want to be on that one. Maybe if I click this arrow, I want to choose Test 1 instead. So now I'm viewing that feed's information. If I wanted, I could rename this feed. Maybe I'll put Time versus Profit, which is the information that has been entered in here. I could also add a new column. I could say something like Location, if maybe I was going to add that information. Then I can click this circle. After I've made my changes, I do need to save them. So I will scroll down and choose Save. Now that information has been saved. If I scroll back up, let's say that I actually didn't need to edit the columns. What I really need to edit is the data. I can click on Data, then select the day whose information you need to modify. I'll choose this one. Then select the time you need to modify. So notice my first entry says 12 a.m. and the next entry is 7:30 a.m. This is a restaurant. No one is there at 12 a.m. So maybe I need to change that time. So I'll click on 12, and now I can choose a new timestamp time. Maybe I'll click this clock, and I'll scroll all the way to 7:45. Then I can change the information in column 1. So spend. Maybe it wasn't 150. Maybe it was 140. Now notice that location column that we added has also come up. So maybe the location for this information is after hours, a restaurant. If I changed my mind and I don't want to edit this data, I can choose Close. I do want to, so I'm going to select Save. And now that information has been changed. If I scroll down, you can see this row now says 7:45 p.m., 140, and after hours. So that's how you can edit the information in your feeds. Let's say that I imported this information completely wrong and I just want to delete it and re-import it. Then I can scroll back up. Then I will choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to ask you which dates you want to delete information from. So I'll click this calendar and I will select June 1st. Then I will click the next calendar and choose the same day. If you changed your mind and you don't want to delete this information, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Delete. And now all of that June 1st information has gone away. And I could re-import it if I wanted to. But let's say I changed my mind and I don't want this feed anymore at all. Then I can go back to Settings, scroll all the way down, and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this feed. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that feed has been deleted. Notice if I click the arrow next to Feeds, I only have Example left. I don't have that other feed available. That's how you can edit and delete forecast feeds in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to create a forecast series with your feeds.